What happens if you're arrested for OUI in the New Bedford District Court? I'm Michael DelSignore, Massachusetts OUI lawyer, and here to answer this question for you. So if you're arrested for OUI in New Bedford, then that means you were arrested either by the Acushnet, Dartmouth police, or state police, or New Bedford police. So Acushnet, Dartmouth, they have video of the booking, and so does the New Bedford department. The state police actually in Dartmouth does have video as well. It's one of the 2 barracks in Massachusetts that actually have video. So all the departments in the New Bedford District Court should have some type of video. State police video is not going to have any sound. The other, Acushnet and Dartmouth, do have sound in their video. So if you're arrested for OUI in New Bedford, first court date is going to be your arraignment. You're going to enter a not guilty plea, and you'll be given a copy of the report and another date to come back to court. So understanding, first court date is not the trial, it's just the arraignment. For somebody with no record, it's going to be sort of a formality. You'll be released on your promise to appear. The New Bedford Court arraignment session can be very busy, especially on a Monday. Over the weekend, they'll have many custodies. You'll see people in the dock, and it can be a little slow, that court. But eventually, they'll call your case. You'll get there at 8:30, you'll check in with probation, but the paperwork might not make it to the court until 10, 11, or even later on some days. After that, your case will then move to the court next door, the second session. That's where the pretrials are held. Pretrial, you'll get all the information from the government, any other reports, videos, 911 tapes, things of that nature, and we'll have time to get any evidence we want to present on your behalf, such as medical records or other type of evidence. Then finally, if it's going to go to trial, it'll go to the third session. In third session, New Bedford tends to be pretty busy. That's their trial session. New Bedford has a lot of very serious cases. So it's good sometimes I like to sometimes get the case to the trial session quick, so that way you're a new case. What that means is there might be an older case or something that's more of a priority for the court. That sometimes helps in terms of where the case goes and in terms of strategy, in terms of getting the best outcome for you. So if you charge with OUI in New Bedford, understand those things that you might have video, your first court date and your second court date. Those aren't your trials, those are your arraignment and your pretrial, and you'll get a copy of the police report typically at the arraignment. So if you have questions about what to do, how to handle an OUI in New Bedford, what are the best defenses, feel free to contact me. My office is around the corner from New Bedford at 448 County Street. I have other offices throughout Massachusetts. We certainly can meet you there at any of the offices. So if you want to schedule an appointment, talk to us about the case. We handle these every day, courts throughout Massachusetts. We know the judges very well. I've been going to New Bedford Court for many years. It was probably the first court I would ever go to in Massachusetts. So I have a lot of experience in that court. Like the staff, the people there, the judges, and be happy to help you out if you're charged with OUI in New Bedford.